Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your Royal Caribbean suite experts, and today I have the great pleasure of being on board the beautiful Explorer of the Seas. Now this particular category is a one-bedroom grand suite. It's the entry level to the full suite class, which means you're going to get all of those amenities, quite a bit more space in the room itself, and extra access to everything around the ship. Now I'll detail that in just a minute, but keep in mind when you're ready to book this beautiful suite or any room or suite with Royal Caribbean, Celebrity, or Silver Sea, make sure you reach out to the experts at Harr Travel or book it right on HarrTravel.com. We know we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way. Now your Royal Caribbean suite experience is going to start even before you arrive here on board. Of course, your Harr Travel advisor can help guide you through that process to make sure you get the best value for your money on board. Now you're going to have access to the concierge team before you arrive. They'll be able to help you make several different things that you can plan. And then once you get here, you're going to have priority embarkation throughout the entire cruise. In fact, you'll have priority embark and disembark privileges. You'll have access to a delicious suite breakfast and Chops Grill each and every single morning. You'll also have access to the suite lounge where you'll have the concierges in there. They can help you throughout the entire cruise to help get tickets to the shows, of course, restaurants, really take the entire experience to another level. Now let's tour this beautiful suite. Now when you walk in the door, you're going to have a bit of storage tucked just behind here. So you'll see that you'll have hanging storage up and down. This is specifically for those who are utilizing this space. It's kind of like a coat area as well. And now let's step into the bathroom. Now as we head into the bathroom, you'll see that it's a really nice large space. Beautiful marble vanity here, so you've got a double vanity, plenty of storage underneath. You've got storage behind the mirrors, light on either side, and a plug for a razor. Now the toilet's tucked just behind in the corner, and then you're gonna see that you have a shower tub combo. Now I'm a really big guy, I'm 6'6", so when I step up in here, I don't quite fit, but of course, for most people, that's not a problem whatsoever. Like I said, I'm a really tall guy, and for me, the great trade-off here is that by having the adjustable shower wand for the shower, but also having the tub, it's the perfect configuration for so many families. Now I've traveled a lot with my kiddos, and now, of course, having a younger one, it's such a huge advantage to have that tub. So I love that configuration here of having the shower and the tub. We're gonna find your primary storage for the suite, hanging storage all the way across, above and down below. And you also have access to those extra comfy bathrobes and slippers. You've got mirrors all the way up and down so you can get ready. You've got plenty of storage tucked behind here along with your mini fridge. And one of those great suite level amenities is the Lavazza coffee maker. Now I start my day at home with a Lavazza coffee. I love that I can do that here as well. Absolutely delicious. You also have a variety of Tazo teas. Once again, one of those suite level upgrades in addition to the upgraded amenities. Now over here, you're gonna find that you have a nightstand coffee table on either side. This one does have some storage in it. You've got 2 chairs here, and then the sofa does fold out into a bed. So if you have more than 2 passengers that are staying in the suite, this would be the other sleeping area. Now you've got a large flat panel TV, fully interactive, so you can see what's going on throughout the ship in addition to watching television. And then we transition into the bedroom area. Now I just wanted to point out that this curtain does pull all the way across. That's how you get the separation of the one bedroom. And the bed right now is together in what they call the Royal King configuration. It does separate apart into 2 twins if that's your preference. In that case, the nightstand would move to the middle. You've got plenty of space underneath the bed to tuck your large bags away. And then you're gonna have reading lamps up above on either side. Now I will say that there aren't any plugs right next to the bed, but if you bring an extra battery backup, you can charge it during the day and use it to charge your devices at night. And of course, they also have extension cords if you need that for a CPAP or something like that. And one of the great configurations of this suite is those plugs are just here. 2 European plugs, 2 US plugs, and always bring extra European adapters and converters to take advantage of all the plugs in the space. Now you're gonna have storage over here. I just wanted to point out this is where you'll find your safe. It's a perfect size for a passport or a wallet, not quite big enough for a laptop. You're gonna have storage here as well. So this opens up to tuck a little bit behind there. You've got a magnifying mirror, 2 lights here, and this is where you can sit and get ready, and you'll also find the hairdryer just inside. Now let's head out and check out the balcony. So now we're out on your private balcony. You're gonna have a table and 2 chairs here. You can have all your meals right here on your balcony. Take advantage of the expanded room service menu, or you can order breakfast, lunch, or dinner from the main dining room, being in a full suite. Now on the other side here, you're gonna find that you have a lounge chair with a small cocktail table. This is that perfect space where you can take advantage of a nice cup of coffee or tea in the morning, maybe a cocktail or glass of wine in the evening, and take advantage of the beautiful, ever-changing ocean views. Now, when you're ready to make this grand suite your home away from home, if you want to check out the other suites and the full ship tour, we have them here on our channel as well. But either way, when you're ready to book, make sure you reach out to the experts at Harr Travel. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an amazing relationship with the cruise line, and we know we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way.